Hello, hi everyone. Okay, so I wanted to do a video जहाँ पर मैं उन चीजों के बारे में आपको शायद मेरी तरफ से करेक्ट करूंगी जो कुछ टेक्निक्स लोगों को शायद पता नहीं है और वो बचपन से जैसे देखते आए हैं दूसरों पर मेकअप वो वैसा ही अपने फेस पर ट्राई करते हैं. सो आई वांटेड टू ब्रेक दोस मिथ्स एंड आई वांटेड टू टेल यू व्हाट नॉट टू डू. नो मैटर व्हाट योर आईज लुक लाइक, नो मैटर व्हाट योर लिप्स लुक लाइक, नो मैटर व्हाट you know think suits you. Some things just make your face look not so good. So I'm going to help you with that, and I wanted to do this in absolutely natural light, with no lights on my face, with no bathroom lights, with no ring lights, with no nothing, and I wanted to keep this as real as possible. So here you go. That's what my skin looks with absolutely nothing on it in natural light in the daytime. And let's start. मैं इसलिए ये करना चाहती थी is because you know बहुत सारी अभी information available है. लोग दूसरों को देखकर गाइडेंस लेकर मेकअप करते हैं, करना चाहते हैं कि कॉन्ट्योर करो तो बस ऐसे ही करो, लिफ्ट करना है तो ये करो, उसको गोल दिखाना है तो ये करो, उसे पतला दिखाना है तो ये करो. I just feel that all that puts so much in your head that you end up doing some things which may not suit your face. So I'm going to talk about a few things that actually I stay away from. So let's start. I'm going to start with just a little. Also, before I do that, I want to tie my hair. So we're going to keep this clean, putting the flyaways away. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Hydra Cleanser off my face. I'm not going to go and wash it off right now. So I'm going to do this with a napkin. Because ये इतना light product है, you don't really need to wash it off or anything like that. Of course, जैसे last time मैंने आपको बताया था, I did a good splash on my face and I took it all off. And then dab, dab, dab. So I'm just gonna wipe my hands also because I absolutely love how light this Derma Vibe Hydra Cleanser is. Honestly, love the product. Okay, next up, I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to put the Nutriderm Moisturizing Lotion, which has vitamin E. Just a little bit of it. Dab, dab, dab on your neck. Can't miss out the neck for the moisturizing, and the rest of it on your face. जब भी आप अपने फेस को मॉइस्चराइज करें, don't forget to take it upwards and just a gentle dab. Wow, I love this. So nice. Makes my skin feel so soft. Okay, so the first myth that I'm going to try and break is that you need too much of foundation. You actually don't. अगर आपके पास concealers हैं तो आप सिर्फ उसी spot को cover कर सकते हैं जो आपके problem areas हैं. और अगर आपको spots नहीं हैं, then you actually, whether you're doing a very professional look, whether you're doing a everyday look, you don't need so much foundation. So what I'm going to do is use my most favorite MAC. I think this is the Fluid Foundation. Yeah, this is the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, which I'm going to try and do only as much as I need. So that much, just for normal coverage. Of course, मैं इस वक्त I'm not doing a very heavy look. I'm just gonna do as much. जैसे अगर मुझे बाहर मार्केट जाना है या किसी से मिलने जाना है या कोई मीटिंग पे जाना है, which I want to look absolutely natural for, then I'm just going to put that much. A little bit for the under eye. Make sure कि आप उसे ठीक से blend करें and you're not doing it like too cakey. Don't forget your जो डेप्थ होते हैं ना, जैसे कि आपका नोज का डेप्थ हो गया, आपका आंख के नीचे का डेप्थ हो गया, उसे इग्नोर मत करिएगा. As you see, I'm using the same finger to blend it even in the rest of the places because I don't believe that you need too much of base. So please don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. If you want a very professional look, like if you're doing a studio shoot या आप कोई looks कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर absolutely required है, then yeah, please go ahead. जितना कम base होगा, उतना ज़्यादा आप खूबसूरत लगेंगे. So that's what I believe. Yeah, so that was about the foundation. The next myth I'm going to try and break is, so this video is not about how to do the rest of the things on your face. I just wanted to break the myths, so concentrate on that, okay? I have just touched up my powder a little bit. वो कैसे करना है वो मेरे previous video में आप देख सकते हैं. But this video is not about that. My next myth I'm going to try and break is the eyeliner. Now, no matter what आपका shape of the eye क्या हो, but one major rule that people kind of break, and that's why eyeliner doesn't look as good, is that if you're going to make your center too thick, okay, what people try and do is, you know, just बचपन से हम सब करते हैं. I'm going to show you what mistake people make, okay? Okay, so what people do is शुरू तो ठीक करते हैं and then just because they don't know the technique they go so thick in the middle, not in the middle but right at the beginning, because वो shape नहीं करना आता ना, तो वो randomly इसको thick बना देते हैं and then they just end it here. Okay, now see what happened to my eye. Suddenly my eye is looking droopy, even though बचपन से हम ऐसे ही देखते आए हैं, right, अपनी मम्मीज को या किसी को भी. That's how they do it. So what happens is, look at my eye. Even though I don't have a big lid, first of all, I'm not supposed to wear such a thick liner in any case. Just because मुझे ये सिखाना है कि क्या गलत होता है. देखिए मेरी आँख suddenly droopy दिख रही है. So on this eye, I'm going to do what I'm actually supposed to do. Okay? You start with a very patla lining from the inside and just connect it according to the shape of your eye. यानी कि अगर आपकी बड़ा socket है, जैसे कि मेरा socket नहीं है, तो I try and keep it very very thin. And for a natural look, I'm not going to pull it out. I'm just going to leave it there. मेरा thickest part होगा somewhere not right in the center, but towards when I'm reaching the center from inside, okay? And end भी मैं एकदम पतला छोड़ दूंगी because I don't like it to be too thick on the edge because मेरा socket नहीं है तो वो मुझे आँख मेरी छोटा दिखाता है. But now can you see the difference? The difference is this. If I show you this and look into the camera, my eyes look like the way they're supposed to look. They look brightened up. They look, you know, like एक shape है. If I show you this, it looks like कुछ तो गड़बड़ चल रहा है. वो मेरे सॉकेट को ऊपर लिड को भी टच कर रहा है बिकॉज मेरा तो सॉकेट ही नहीं है. सो यू सी द डिफरेंस. So that's a major mistake that people make. And if you do have a big socket, then अगर आप thick लगा भी रहे हैं, so make sure that your inner part is your thinnest. यहाँ पर सबसे पतला होना चाहिए. Then you go thicker, 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 and however you want to do it. You want to do a cat eye, you want to do like a winged eyeliner, whatever it is that you want to do. But that is up to you. ये आप decide कर सकते हैं. But this mistake, don't make that. Okay? Guess what I did? I used the Hydra Cleanser, the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser, put it on a little bit of a tissue and wiped it out. Look at how clean it became. That's all I did. So Dermavive actually helps you just remove the makeup off so easily as well. That's a tip from me if you want to use it. There you go. And then you have that wet napkin. So I'm just going to take it all off. Great. So what I did was I just touched that little area that was damaged because of the wrong eyeliner. Used the same matte foundation and now I'm just using the Benefit powder to dab it up just the way I did before. Okay, great. Gonna complete this liner for you. Alright, so the next mistake that people make is not cleaning their camera lens. No, the next mistake that people make is with the mascara. Now I'm going to use the same mascara that I did in my previous video, the Sephora one. And my biggest tip is start from अंदर से बाहर, लेकिन कोई भी एक स्ट्रैंड इकट्ठा नहीं होना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर आपको वो इकट्ठा दिख गया तो वो बहुत ज्यादा क्लंकी दिखता है एंड इट डजंट लुक गुड इन पिक्चर्स आइदर. सो फॉर अ नेचुरल लुक जस्ट do that. But as you can see, the moment ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट एक स्ट्रैंड पे लग जाता है तो मैं उसे निकालने की कोशिश करती हूँ. ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट एक स्ट्रैंड पे लगना यानी कि वो स्ट्रैंड दूसरे स्ट्रैंड के साथ चिपक जाएगा. I feel like my fingers are my best friend because the moment I see कि कहाँ पर कुछ ज्यादा क्लंकी हो रहा है तो मैं उसे निकाल देती हूँ अपनी उंगली से, just with the help of my nail because I think that's the best way to take it off. Now as you can see, look at my lashes. Every single strand is separated. And although मेरे lashes ज़्यादा लंबे नहीं हैं, but that's more than enough. Just look at the difference between this eye and that eye. And मैंने उतना ज़्यादा लगाया भी नहीं है. So yeah, let's do the other eye. Again, ब्रश को बॉटल के अंदर मत डालना. आप उसके दूसरा साइड घुमा के, यूजुअली उसमें इनफ प्रोडक्ट होता है तो आप उसी को घुमा के यूज कर सकते हैं. प्लीज और प्रोडक्ट मत लीजिएगा. एंड लुक अप द वे आई एम लुकिंग ताकि आपका मस्कारा कहीं और लगे ना. एज यू कैन सी मैं एक एक स्ट्रैंड को अलग करने की कोशिश करती हूँ अंदर से बाहर. ओह वाओ, लुक एट दैट. बल्मा. Sorry, I'm too filmy. Yeah, so as you can see now, my eyes are opened up because of the mascara. And a lot of you ask me about what do I do in a natural way. My cheek. So I use my mother's funda. जो बचपन से I used to see her do it just with the lipstick. I try and do that. So I'm going to show you how much of the cheek tint you need. Alright, so you can take any cheek tint that you have. Tint से मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि वो पाउडर हो, बिकॉज पाउडर डे में कुछ ज्यादा ही नजर आता है. सो स्टिक बेस्ड कोई भी आपके पास अगर चीक टिंट है तो आप इसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट आई डू फॉर डे इज जस्ट डू इट ऑन द एप्पल ऑफ माई चीक, बिकॉज इट शुड जस्ट गिव यू लाइक अ सन किस्ड फ्लश्ड लुक. नीचे मत लेके जाना, अपने फेस को कट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं इसे एक थोड़ा इजी डे लुक दे रही हूँ. देयर यू गो. एंड इफ एवर यू फील दैट एक जगह ज्यादा दिख रहा है तो पाउडर लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप उसी पफ से सिर्फ डैब कर सकते हैं. यू सी द डिफरेंस, इट्स सो कूल. सो मैं एक पिंक शेड यूज कर रही हूँ, आप कोई भी शेड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. एज यू सी आई एम गोइंग अ लिटिल अबव on my face because I want to get that little sun-kissed look, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of it and put it on the middle of my nose. There you go. It looks like आप अभी sun से आए हैं and your skin is looking flushed. And again, use the same puff and just dab it. There's no powder in it. I hate too much powder on my skin. There you go. Absolutely natural look. I have no eyeshadow. I have nothing on my face. Just that patla eyeliner, the mascara, the cheap? Why am I calling it the cheap tint? The cheek tint. The cheek tint. Alright, I'm going to use my favorite shade, which is the Spice from MAC. And I'm going to tell you the one thing that everybody does wrong. Pointed lips. So, I think बचपन में, of course, years ago, पहले trends हुआ करता था जब आप, अपने lip को बहुत ज़्यादा pointed कर देते थे. And that just looks so bad. I'll show you what not to do first, okay? That looks artificial. That looks not good. First of all, great makeup artists that I've worked with all my life, I've learned कि lip को अगर अच्छा शेप करना है तो हमेशा बाहर से अंदर की तरफ लेके जाना. दूसरी चीज, लोग लिपस्टिक ब्लेंड ही नहीं करते हैं. यानी कि अगर अब मैं लाइट शेड भी यूज कर रही हूँ, जब आप लिपस्टिक एक्चुअली लगाने जाते हैं तो उसे ब्लेंड नहीं करते हैं. जैसे कि अभी मैंने ये लाइट लाइनर तो किया ही है, लेकिन लोग सिर्फ यहाँ पर उसके अंदर फिल करते हैं. तो क्या होता है, you can literally see the lip line, right? And it looks so bad. So don't do that. What you must do is what I'm going to tell you after I wipe out this disaster. I'm going to show you actually how to line your lips. Did you see what I did? I ran the pencil on my natural lip line, bahar se andar. So now you see, this is not pointed. This is natural, normal. It's great for an everyday look. Of course, आजकल बहुत सारी trends शुरू हुए हैं जहाँ पर आपके lip के अंदर यहाँ पर काटने बोलते हैं ताकि आपका lip rounded लगे. I think it looks very artificial, but that's a personal choice people make, so that's okay. As you can see, I have some lip area that is more extended this side. So what I will do is I'm just going to take a little bit of base so that वो different काला ना लगे या अलग अलग color का ना लगे मेरे skin से. And I'm just going to cover that, right? तो क्योंकि आपका skin हर जगह अलग अलग shade का होगा, कुछ ज़्यादा darker होगा, कुछ ज़्यादा lighter होगा. So that this doesn't look darker than the rest of my skin, I'm just going to use the base. There you go. So it's equal and natural. And now I'm going to do filling, which I'm going to start with the lining. So first run it over your line. Big shout out to Renee lipsticks because I think they're so convenient. So many shades in one lipstick. Alright, so there you go. You don't need a dark lip liner over your shades. It just doesn't work mostly. Just keep it naturally, and if you think kuch shape upar niche ho gaya, so you can always correct it with your fingers. Yeah, like that. So in makeup, everything is trial and error. Don't be too hard on yourself and don't wear too much of it. Figure out कि आपकी skin को क्या suit होता है, आपके face को क्या suit होता है, and do just that. So I hope this helped and I love you all. Mwah! Stay beautiful inside out.